Hello, food lovers, and welcome. Today we're diving into the fantastic world of curry leaves. These little leaves pack a powerful punch, both in flavor and health benefits. You might know them as the fragrant sprigs in your favorite Indian dishes, but did you know they're bursting with vitamins and antioxidants? Get ready to unlock the secrets of curry leaves, from their unique taste to their incredible healing properties. We'll explore everything you need to know about these culinary wonders. For too long, curry leaves have been relegated to the sidelines, a mere garnish in many kitchens, but no more. We're about to uncover their true potential, revealing why they deserve a starring role in your diet. Get ready to revolutionize your cooking and your health. It's time to discover the magic of curry leaves. Curry leaves, these small but mighty leaves, are known by many names around the world. In India, they're called kadi pata or karivepillai, depending on the region. You might also hear them referred to as sweet neem leaves due to their slightly bitter yet aromatic flavor. Don't let the variety of names confuse you. No matter what you call them, curry leaves remain a valuable ingredient and a powerhouse of flavor and nutrition. So the next time you're exploring a spice market or browsing recipes, remember that kadi pata, karivepillai, and sweet neem leaves all refer to our star ingredient, the wonderful curry leaf. Knowing when to harvest your curry leaves is key to enjoying their full flavor and aroma. Look for leaves that are bright green and glossy, a sign they are young and tender. Their aroma should be strong and citrusy, filling your senses with a hint of what's to come in your cooking. Avoid leaves that are yellowing, wilting, or have brown spots. These are past their prime and won't offer the same vibrant taste. Freshly harvested leaves are always best, but you can also store them in the refrigerator for up to a week, wrapped in a damp paper towel and sealed in a plastic bag. Beyond the green. While vibrant green is the most common color for curry leaves, don't be surprised to find variations in their shades. Younger leaves tend to be lighter green, almost a lime hue. As they mature, they deepen to a rich emerald green, signifying their robust flavor. In some cases, you might even come across curry leaves with a hint of bronze or reddish brown, particularly during certain seasons or growing conditions. This slight color variation doesn't affect their taste or aroma and can add visual interest to your dishes. Remember, the most important factor is the aroma. Whether your curry leaves are light green or deep emerald, their intoxicating fragrance is a sure sign of their freshness and quality. Now let's talk about the beautiful color variations you'll find in curry leaves. Don't be surprised if you see different shades of green at the market. The youngest leaves are a vibrant, almost neon green. As they mature, they deepen to a rich emerald hue. This darker shade often indicates a more intense flavor, but don't worry, all shades of green curry leaves are packed with flavor and aroma. Just make sure they smell fresh and citrusy. While we're focused on the leaves themselves, it's worth noting that the curry leaf plant also produces small black berries. These berries are not commonly eaten, but they do have a fascinating history in traditional medicine. However, our focus today is on the culinary and health benefits of those fantastic leaves. So let's get back to unlocking the power of those fragrant green gems. Curry leaves, with their intoxicating aroma and culinary versatility, have a rich history deeply intertwined with the Indian subcontinent. For centuries, these fragrant leaves have graced the kitchens of India and Sri Lanka, adding their unique flavor to countless traditional dishes. Their origins can be traced back to the tropical and subtropical regions of Asia, where they flourished in the wild long before they were cultivated for culinary purposes. Ancient Sanskrit texts mention the use of curry leaves in Ayurvedic medicine, highlighting their significance in traditional healing practices. Their journey from the wild to cultivated gardens is a testament to their enduring appeal. Over time, different cultures embraced curry leaves, incorporating them into their cuisine and traditions, solidifying their place as a beloved ingredient across generations. Curry leaf plants thrive in warm, humid climates reminiscent of their native tropical and subtropical origins. Picture lush green trees, their branches laden with glossy, aromatic leaves basking under the warm sun. These hardy plants flourish in well-drained soil and prefer a sunny location, though they can tolerate partial shade. Their resilience and adaptability have allowed them to spread beyond their native regions, finding homes in gardens and kitchens around the world. Whether grown in a pot on a sunny windowsill or as part of a thriving herb garden, curry leaf plants add a touch of the tropics to any setting. Their vibrant green leaves and intoxicating fragrance create a sensory experience that transports you to a world of culinary delights. For many, the aroma of curry leaves evokes a sense of home, comfort, and cherished culinary traditions. It's a reminder of family gatherings where the air is filled with the enticing smells of spices simmering on the stove and laughter around the table. The sight of fresh curry leaves, their vibrant green hues a feast for the eyes, instantly transports you to bustling marketplaces in India and Sri Lanka, where vendors proudly display their fragrant wares. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook eager to explore new flavors, curry leaves offer a taste of adventure and a connection to a rich culinary heritage that has been passed down through generations. A nutritional powerhouse. Beyond their culinary appeal, curry leaves are a treasure trove of nutrients that can do wonders for your health. These tiny leaves are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that have been recognized for their medicinal properties for centuries. Think of curry leaves as a natural multivitamin, brimming with vitamins A, B, C, and E. These vitamins play essential roles in maintaining good vision, boosting immunity, and protecting your cells from damage. But that's not all. Curry leaves are also a good source of iron, calcium, and phosphorus, essential minerals that contribute to strong bones, healthy blood, and overall well-being. Incorporating these leaves into your diet is like giving your body a natural boost of essential nutrients. Glowing skin and healthy hair. The benefits of curry leaves extend beyond your internal health, reaching outward to enhance your natural beauty. These leaves have long been used in traditional beauty practices for their ability to promote glowing skin and lustrous hair. The secret lies in their potent antioxidants, which fight free radicals that can damage skin cells and accelerate aging. These antioxidants help protect your skin from environmental stressors, promoting a youthful complexion. Curry leaves are also believed to stimulate hair growth and prevent premature graying. Applying a paste made from curry leaves to your scalp can nourish hair follicles and improve blood circulation, resulting in stronger, healthier hair. Nature's detoxifier. In today's world, our bodies are constantly bombarded with toxins from our environment, diet, and lifestyle. Thankfully, curry leaves act as a natural detoxifier, helping to cleanse our system from within. They contain compounds that support liver function, the organ responsible for filtering toxins from our bloodstream. A healthy liver is essential for overall well-being, and curry leaves can play a role in keeping this vital organ functioning optimally. Furthermore, curry leaves have diuretic properties, meaning they help flush out excess water and waste products from the body. This natural cleansing effect can reduce bloating, improve digestion, and leave us feeling lighter and more energized. Incorporating curry leaves into the diet is like giving our body a gentle cleanse, supporting its natural detoxification processes. Whether enjoying them in cooking or as a soothing tea, these leaves offer a natural way to purify our system from the inside out. Did you know that curry leaves are not just good for your body, but for your mind as well? They contain compounds that can actually boost brain function and improve cognitive health. These powerful leaves are believed to enhance memory, sharpen focus, and even help protect against age-related cognitive decline. Imagine starting your day with a clear mind, ready to tackle any challenge. Studies suggest that curry leaves may help protect brain cells from oxidative stress, a major contributor to neurodegenerative diseases. This protective effect could be particularly beneficial for aging individuals looking to maintain their cognitive abilities. Incorporating curry leaves into your diet is like giving your brain a nutritional boost, promoting optimal cognitive function and mental well-being. Whether you're a student facing exams, a professional navigating a demanding career, or simply want to keep your mind sharp, curry leaves can be a valuable ally. Let's delve deeper into the remarkable ways curry leaves support your overall health, focusing on their benefits for specific organs. These leaves are tiny guardians, protecting our vital organs and promoting their optimal function. We've already touched on their liver-supporting properties, but their benefits extend far beyond detoxification. Curry leaves have been traditionally used to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and even regulate blood sugar levels. For instance, their anti-inflammatory properties can be beneficial for soothing digestive discomfort and promoting gut health. Additionally, some studies suggest that curry leaves may even help improve insulin sensitivity, which is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Their ability to support multiple organ systems highlights their holistic approach to health and well-being. By incorporating curry leaves into our diet, we're not just adding flavor to our dishes, we're nourishing our body from the inside out. Now let's talk about one of the most remarkable benefits of curry leaves, their potential to help prevent serious diseases. Don't underestimate these little leaves. They're packed with compounds that can act as powerful allies in safeguarding your health. For centuries, curry leaves have been recognized in traditional medicine for their preventative properties. Modern science is now catching up, uncovering the mechanisms behind these ancient practices. Studies suggest that curry leaves may play a role in reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. That's because they contain powerful antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to protect cells from damage. Fighting free radicals. Imagine your body as a complex network constantly under attack from harmful molecules called free radicals. These unstable molecules can damage your cells, leading to inflammation and increasing the risk of various diseases. That's where antioxidants come in, acting like superheroes that neutralize these free radicals, preventing them from causing harm. Curry leaves are abundant in antioxidants, making them a valuable addition to your diet for overall health and disease prevention. By incorporating curry leaves into your meals, you're essentially providing your body with an army of antioxidants to combat free radicals and protect your cells from damage. It's like building a shield around your health, strengthening your body's natural defenses. Remember, prevention is always better than cure. Adding curry leaves to your diet is a simple yet powerful step you can take towards a healthier and more vibrant life. Daria is here to share 2 curry recipes we think you'll enjoy. Let us know what you think. Daria, take it away.
Hi Michael, thank you. So let's start with a taste of tradition, shall we? Curry leaf rice. This fragrant rice dish is a South Indian staple. You need basic ingredients and fresh curry leaves. Heat a bit of oil, add mustard seeds, cumin, and dried chilies. Toss in curry leaves and let them sizzle. Mix this paste-like sauce with freshly cooked rice and salt. Then enjoy. Quick and simple. Next, let's make an aromatic infusion, curry leaf oil. Make your own curry leaf oil to enjoy its benefits beyond the kitchen. We like to use this blend for massages, hair care, and cosmetic purposes. Heat a carrier oil. Those are jojoba, sweet almond, argan, or fractionated coconut oil. Then add fresh curry leaves and let them infuse. Once the leaves crisp, let the oil cool to room temperature. Strain into a jar with a secure lid and store in a cool, dark place. Enjoy your fragrant, potent curry leaf oil for outer body care, and there's something special about knowing that you've made it yourself. Michael, back over to you.
Thank you, Daria. Both of those recipes sound amazing. My granny also had a curry leaf cure. She believed in their healing power, using them for everything from soothing an upset stomach to boosting immunity. Armed with her wisdom and fresh curry leaves, she brewed a strong tea with ginger and honey. The warmth and soothing properties provided almost instant relief. My cough subsided and I could feel my energy returning. So there you have it, the incredible curry leaf. From its vibrant flavor to its remarkable health benefits, this little leaf truly deserves a place in every kitchen. But here's the biggest surprise of all, the one benefit I've saved until the very end. Curry leaves are believed to be a natural appetite suppressant. That's right, they can help you feel fuller for longer, making them a fantastic ally for those on a weight management journey. So, start incorporating curry leaves into your diet today. You'll not only elevate your culinary creations, but also nourish your body with a wealth of health benefits. Amazing, yes? Well, as this episode comes to an end, we hope you've enjoyed it and learned a bit more about this amazing ingredient. Remember to like and comment the video. And consider subscribing to the channel for more exciting food adventures. Until next time, good health and happy cooking. Bye-bye for now.